Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ma'am and classmates. This is my presentation for my project documentation. System overview. The inventory management system is a console-based application designed to help Ninikos construction supply track, update, and store details of construction materials in stock. It allows users to add new items, view current inventory, adjust stock levels, and save load data from a text file. Key features of my system: add new construction item with unique codes, description, quantities, and prices. View complete list of all inventory items. Update stock quantities for existing items. Save inventory data to a file for future use. Load previously saved inventory data. Cross-platform compatibility works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Also works in Android, iOS devices. How to run the program? Compile the code using the C++ compiler. Execute the compliant executable file. The system will automatically launch and display the main menu. Note on data storage. All inventory data is saved to a file named inventory.txt in the same folder as the program. If the file does not exist, it will created automatically when you first save data. Main menu interface. When you launch the program, the screen will clear and display the main menu as shown below. Using the menu, enter a number from 1 to 6 corresponding to the feature you want to use. Press enter to confirm your selection. If you enter an invalid input, letters number, outside 1 to 6, the system will show an error message and prompt you to try again. Feature 1. Adds construction item. Add a new item to the inventory, maximum capacity. The system can store up to 100 items at a time. Step-by-step guide. From the main menu, enter 1 and press enter. The system will prompt you to enter the following details: item code, description, quantity, and price. If all inputs are valid, you will see item added successfully. Press enter to return to the main menu. View inventory list. Display all items currently in the inventory. Step-by-step guide. Number 1 is from the main menu, enter 2 and press enter. If inventory is empty, you will see inventory is empty. If item exists, a formatted list will be shown with all item details. Number 3 feature is update stock quantity. Adjust the stock level of an existing item. Step-by-step guide. From the main menu, enter 3 and press enter. Enter the item code of the item you want to update. If the item is found, the current quantity will be displayed. Enter the new quantity, non-negative, whole number only. You will see stock updated successfully. If the item is not found, you will see item not found. Press enter to return to the main menu. Feature number 4. Save inventory to file. Save all current inventory data to inventory.txt. Overrides existing file. Step-by-step guide. From the main menu, enter 4 and press enter. If saving is successful, you will see inventory saved successfully. If there is an error, example no write permission, you will see error saving file. Press enter to return to the main menu. Feature number 5. Load inventory from file. Load previously saved data from inventory.txt into the system. Replace current inventory. Step-by-step guide. From the main menu, enter 5 and press enter. If the file exists, you will see inventory loaded successfully. If the file does not exist, you will see no saved inventory found. Press enter to the main menu. Feature number 6. Exit system. Close the program and automatically save current inventory data. Step-by-step guide. From the main menu, enter 6 and press enter. The system will save data to the inventory.txt and show existing system. The program will close automatically. The project titled Improvising Warehouse Inventory Management on Addressing the Efficiency of the Current Inventory System used by Nenico Construction Corporation. According to the documentation, the existing process relies heavily on manual Excel spreadsheet, which result in inaccurate records, high error rates, and delayed operation. The main purpose of the project is to develop a structured, computer-based inventory management system that improves inventory accuracy, order fulfillment, and operational efficiency while reducing human error and operating costs. The background of the problem explained that although Excel spreadsheets are widely used due to their low cost and accessibility, they are not suitable for dynamic warehouse environments where inventory is constantly changing due to receiving, storing, picking, and shipping activities. The document highlights that Excel provides all this static data, does not offer real-time updates, and create version conflicts when multiple users edit files simultaneously. This limitation often lead to inventory discrepancies, delayed deliveries, and increased workload for warehouse staff. Based on this challenge, the statement of the problem clearly identifies critical issues such as inaccurate inventory records, lack of real-time updates, low inventory tracking, poor organization, limited scalability, and weak security and accountability. This problem restrict effective decision-making and prevent the warehouse from operating efficiently, especially as inventory volume grows. The general objective of the project is to improve warehouse inventory management, efficiency, and reliability by streamlining procedures and minimizing manual errors. Supporting these are the specific objectives, which include developing a more accurate tracking system, improving real-time stock visibility, optimizing warehouse layout and labeling, and reducing manual labor through automated or semi-automated processes. These objectives aim to prevent overstocking, shortage, and workflow delays. The scope and limitations section clarifies that the project focuses on system improvement and process optimization rather than large-scale infrastructure changes such as warehouse expansion or advanced automation. The system is limited by financial and constraints employees' cooperation and data accuracy, and it does not account for external factors like suppliers' delay or market demand fluctuations. In terms of technical implementation, the project applies key C++ programming concept, including variables and data type, input and output, conditional statement, loops, function, arrays, file handling, and error handling. These concepts are used to store inventory data, validate user input, automate repetitive tasks, and ensure the inventory records are saved and loaded correctly even after the program closes. The proposed system description explains the inventory system is a main-driven console-based application. It initializes inventory data, display amendment, validates user input, and allows user to add items, view inventory, update stock, save data to the file, and load existing records. The program operates in a loop structure, ensuring continuous user interaction until the user chooses to exit, at which point the system automatically saves all data. The target user and beneficiaries include warehouse managers, inventory control staff, and warehouse workers who benefit from reduced errors, better workflow, and real-time inventory visibility. Additionally, business owners, finance departments, and customers indirectly benefit through lower costs, accurate reporting, and faster order fulfillment. Overall, the project demonstrates how applying basic C++ programming principle to a real-world problem can significantly enhance inventory management efficiency, data accuracy, and operational reliability, making it a practical and scalable solution for small to medium-sized warehouse operations.